Before the video begins, I just want to let you know that this is my first feature video, so we did miss out some things to do with his car, mods and stuff. We basically go through some of the mods, we go for a drive, and I just kind of show bits and pieces of his car.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay, so we're quickly going to go over Andy's Turbo Mx5 here, what he's done to it. So what turbo do you have on it?
It's a turbo of Subaru Impreza, a TD04.
Oh, TD04, okay. They're fairly common. They're probably the most common, aren't they, for MX5s, yeah. And then manifold you've bought.
It's matched up with a Kraken manifold. And I got that and the turbo outlet and the ring and the top of the exhaust all from Kraken.
Oh, okay.
Fantastic value, so there.
The whole turbo kit's kind of a DIY kit though, isn't it? You've kind of put it together yourself.
I decided to do it on a budget and I've succeeded. I've only bought brand new parts, I bought ME221 ECU. I put an AEM wideband.
They're probably the most expensive pieces, aren't they?
They are the most expensive pieces, and the Kraken system.
Yeah.
The Kraken system is about £300 sterling delivered to your door, and it is absolutely astonishing. Not bothering it.
Anyway, you said there.
Coilovers I'm running Tyne coilovers.
Yeah.
Fully adjustable, fully dampened.
Yeah, you have to kind of open the boot to adjust them, don't you? Kind of get in, reach in. Yeah.
You don't put in your panel for the
covering
fuel cap thing, and then you can get at them. The panel is from a company in France called Carbon House, HAUS.
Yeah, it's very nice.
€300 delivered with lights.
With the LED lights.
Now you need to get it painted. You can get a carbon fibre one for, I think it's €150 more, but I think the painting one looks better.
Yeah, that's right. Do you want to stick the lights on for a second?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look a lot better, don't they? Compared to the stock ones are so dim and everything. They're sweet. And then you have the kind of sleepy eye headlights as well.
Yeah, they're my own. I made them myself.
DIY.
DIY ones. With LED bulbs.
Where did you get the kind of...
This from a company called JohnConnerty.com. It's a tractor light from a Zetor tractor, and it's the exact same one that the big companies use.
Oh, that they use for these kits anyway? Oh, okay, so you found that out first and then
I a bit of checking up on the internet and...
Yeah, so tractor headlights.
Yeah, tractor headlights. But if you pay
they look exactly
400 sterling, you get the exact same thing.
Yeah. How much did you pay for these headlights?
Those headlights cost me €60.
Jeez, that's good, isn't it?
And the rest of it was made up of the original frames and a few bits and pieces.
Yeah, and then you have the intakes.
The intakes.
Signals.
They were race ones. I just put that little light on it.
The
and
indicator.
would you believe it passed the NCT with that light?
Yeah.
So.
For the indicator, for the front indicator.
Yeah.
Oh god, they're tiny.
Yeah, but they're very bright.
Are they bright? Yeah.
You pull back there and you can see them.
Actually, yeah, they are.
They're brighter than some standard car ones.
He's 2 wiper to 1 wiper conversion. He's basically added in, what's you say added in there?
8mm.
Yeah, 8mm of metal, is it basically?
Yeah, spacer.
So he's like an 8mm spacer here for after the window wiper motor, and then he's put a bigger wiper on it as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It does look pretty cool.
A straightened arm.
And it gets the whole windscreen.
Yep.
Okay, so we're quickly going to go for a drive in Andy's MX5 and just talk about the other mods he's done to this car. Have you upgraded the clutch in this?
No, I actually run it on a standard clutch.
Is it 1.6 or 1.8?
It's a 1.6.
Ah, okay.
And she's running on a standard clutch.
Does it ever slip?
Nope. No. Never yet. And it was the original clutch in the car.
Ah.
The car has 265,000 kilometers on it.
Not bad.
and it's I put the turbo on it. Now it was a automatic when it came into the country first.
Oh, okay.
She can be a bit grabby at the road, alright.
And does it have the same engine from when it was an automatic, or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's running so well.
What year is this again?
It's 91.
Oh, okay.
Japanese.
Do they have like lower compression like the later models then?
Exactly.
Since it's
They have a lower compression. I believe it's done on the head.
Yeah.
But I think it could be the cams are different. What bits and pieces.
Yeah. And did you do it all in one go, the turbo kit, or did you do piece by piece?
I bought it piece by piece, so
Okay.
I bought the ME221
First.
and the wideband and fitted it straight away.
Yeah.
And it made a difference. Now she's disconnected at the moment. I have a new lambda put into it because I was popping and banging, and I don't think it did very good for me lambda. But the thing is, now I put those two pieces into it and put a standard tune from ME Motorsports, Motorsports Electronics, and the difference was astonishing. It revved up to 7,500 revs immediately, and it was limited to 180 kilometers. Now I was on a track when I tested this out, and it filled the clock and more, because it was just astonishing that the fact that it allowed itself to breathe a lot better and take the electronic restrictions off it.
Is it still on the base map, or have you got it tuned?
I have it tuned by
You had someone got to remotely tune it, wasn't it?
remotely tuned. There's a lad called Alex,
Yeah.
fantastic bloke. You hear my banging
I
on
can hear
there. I have it on a switch there. I can.
Oh, really?
I can.
Is that connected into the ECU then?
That's into the ECU.
Okay.
I can program it as I wish.
Yeah.
I don't need a laptop. I can keep two tunes
Yeah.
at the one time on the switch, and then I can put another pair of tunes on.
Yeah.
So I can have aggressive tunes or easy tune, whatever I want. So I can bring my laptop, if I bring it to a track day, and have the more aggressive one, and then I can flick the switch and I can drive home on a calm tune.
Yeah, it's decent.
It's quite good. But I like the sparse interior.
Oh, you've taken out the centerpiece, have you?
Yeah, I've taken that out. I got that. That's a kit that comes from England. Just to put a bit of carpet on it, and it's so much neater.
Yeah, you see some people have the kind of cut-offs to here, but I think it looks a bit cleaner just
See,
without.
that piece and that piece comes as a kit just on the internet, but it makes it look so much cleaner. Just
clear popping.
yeah. But she's running on Tyne coilovers as well. And upgraded brakes from. I have another engine at home to put into this, so that I can do some work on the original engine. So I have an engine for keeping it on the road. Basically.
So would you be putting this engine back into it again afterwards?
I will go back into it.
Okay.
But I don't know what upgrades I'm going to do yet. Depends on the financial part of it. Oh, very slippy roads today. But
I'm surprised the wheels actually grip up pretty well. Like,
yeah, well, they're good tires.
Mine, like, you do anything and it's just.
And I'm doing 13 inches, so she tends to pick up quite quick. And now you can see these private roads are very good.
Okay. those pops.